Okay, welcome back. We're comparing fractions with the same denominators. So if we're looking at 1/4 and 3/4, and we're pretending that these circles that I freehand drew are the exact same size and that they're divided into the exact same amount of equal parts. Okay, so we're comparing the exact same sized object with the exact same size parts. And so if we're looking at this, we know now that the denominator is the amount of equal parts, and what is shaded is the numerator. So this would, this side would be 1/4, and this would be 3/4. So 1/4 or 3/4. And when we look at the drawings, we can very clearly see that 3/4 has more shaded areas than 1/4. So 3/4 is greater than 1/4, or 1/4 is less than 3/4. If we're looking at fraction strips, which I much prefer to use, they're easier to draw using the grid paper and make the same size. If we're looking at the top fraction, 3/6, and the bottom fraction, 5/6, if we draw them out, we can very quickly see that 5/6 is greater than 3/6. But what if we remove the image and that we're given something like this? So I have 4/9, and I know 4/9 is greater than another number over 9. So as I'm looking at this, I have a couple options. If I don't know how to do this, I can draw this out. 6, 7, 9. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 equal parts. Okay, I'm just going to quickly do the 4. And so if I'm looking at this, if 4/9 is bigger, I know that my number that's going to go up here is going to be smaller than that. So in order to be smaller, I could have a 3/9, 2, 1, or even 0/9. Okay, so now if I'm looking at 7/10 and it's greater than some number, or sorry, it's less than some number over 10, again, I could draw that out so that I can see it, because I highly encourage you guys always to draw fractions out because it makes it easier to see. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, draw my line there. All right, so I have, there's 7/10, and now I know that it's bigger than, so I know that any number that's going to go up here is going to be bigger than 7. So that leaves me 8, 9, and 10/10 if I'm staying within 1.